Hey everybody, Dustin Troyan here at Supercar Sunday. Alexander came in today, stole the show, smiles. I mean, just unbelievable. What do we have here, Alexander?
So this is my boatmobile. If you watch SpongeBob, you know what it is. Underneath it is a Go4 meter maid car. It's a 93. On top it is a 69 Starcraft Falcon, and not the original engine. The engine's out of an 01 Grand Prix GTP. It's a 3.8 liter supercharged, makes 240 horsepower to the rear. 240
horsepower to the rear.
Yeah, and the car weighs 1,800 pounds.
How fast have you gone in this car?
I've gone 80. It's got more in it, but the front end kind of starts lifting up, so you want to let off around there.
Do you have a helmet on? And where'd you do 80 miles per hour in this thing?
El Mirage Dry Lake Bed. It's a great place to go fast.
So you didn't buy it, you had the idea, you and your friends built it.
Yes.
From scratch.
From scratch. Well, basically scratch. The frame got stripped down to basically nothing, and we just tore everything apart, threw it back together, bolts, nuts, welding, the whole shebang.
How long have you had it? Running, driving, taking it to car shows?
So it was made in 2 stints. The first one was putting the boat on the frame with the old engine. That was done back in March of last year. We drove it around until the winter, and then we engine swapped it over the winter. And yeah, it's about a total of 2 months of work to do everything, and now we have a beautiful, fun piece to drive around.
Registered, insured, everything.
Fully legal, no cops, no problems.
Fully legal. And it's supercharged. You got a blower here.
Supercharged. If you give it enough gas, and you have enough cojones to give it enough gas, it screams. Like, you'll just hear it go, and it blasts off. Pops wheelies if you give it enough.
And when you, let's walk around the front. When you pull up at a car show, you're driving down the street, what is the reaction from people?
A lot of phones out, a lot of smiles, waves. Everyone's just loving us. It's a great time. We actually had a couple occurrences on the street where people try to film out their window while they're driving. They start swerving around their lane, almost hit us a couple times, but generally it's just great all around. People love us. We got a funny horn that we honk at them, and it's great.
I got to tell you, when you pulled in, everybody came over, everyone was smiling, asking all sorts of questions. This, to me, this is why I call it Supercar Sunday, right? People think exotic cars, hypercars. To me, it's the passion, ingenuity, vision, fun, friendship. This is awesome. I think you hit a grand slam home run. I think people are going to go crazy about this. Motor for Toys in December. I'd love to have it on display with toys in it. I think it'd be a great visual.
Oh, perfect. I think we were there last year, actually.
And with this?
Yeah, just with the older engine. I think we were there.
You know, it's so crazy for me. It's inside where I actually don't see the cars because I'm too busy doing all the administrative stuff. But let's stay in touch, because let's have this in a premiere spot.
Oh, perfect. But
so well done. Thank you for bringing to Supercar Sunday, sharing. This is the best part about the car show. Somebody will come up with something totally different. Registered, insured, street legal. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. There's a blower. You got an airbag right there. Tank for the airbags. Unbelievable. I always like when people bring in something they've built, and when it's not the same old, because this is the passion component to me.
I still have my second key. I have my key. I have my title. I have the car. I went to the Calabasas where we are.
So cool. All right, I'm going to sign off. Supercar Sunday. This is it right here. You got to love it.
That's my sister. This is my ID. That's my last name.
More to come.